Hey guys, Kurt here with NK Garage, and today we got a special video. We're here at Jacktown Flea Market in Bangor, Pennsylvania. So we just pulled in, we just got parked, and we're going to be doing a lot of picking today. Hopefully we're going to catch up with some other YouTubers like George from You Wanna Watch. I think David from West Highlands Shop and Dale from Dale's Workshop will be here as well, and probably a few others. So we brought our trailer today just for some extra storage. Just don't know what you're going to get. And I got my wagon here, and plus we even got a second wagon. These things fold up nice, so as we collect more stuff, we're gonna deploy that and we'll have two wagons. So Nick's here with us as well, and let's see what we get. I think it's gonna be a great show.
Hey, they're cool, yeah? Yeah, he can get your money back. Like sander. Body sander.
They're all
Sometimes it works out that way. Don't be afraid to pull the bag up.
Yeah, I got a pile here, so.
He sells everything himself. He says, people are getting tired. I just bought these.
Oh, cool. 20 for everything.
Sounds great.
And I have bags right over there in that kettle.
Oh, I got all that.
Okay.
Thank you.
44.
All right. Thank you, sir. How you doing?
Not bad. You doing all right?
Well, first stop of the day, I got a big pile.
What'd you get? It's a good start.
Let's see. Old Crescent, Jamestown,
Nice pair of nippers.
Diamond,
Yep.
You really do have an addiction to the Justin.
Utica, 3 Diamond, another Crescent. This one,
Those adjustable guys got to stick together, man. So
WM Hayworth & Co. Never heard of that.
me neither.
Old.
Yeah.
It's an old one. This is the old channel lock.
420s.
This is the Champion Deorment
Oh,
one.
nice.
Another Utica.
That one's nice and clean.
This is Wizard.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah, you don't see those too often.
Then this is, like I said, I do the vanadium because that's like 30s, early 40s. And then,
There's a Craftsman guy too.
yeah, so
Crowder,
I know
there you
you
go.
get a lot of the Crowder wrenches. I
try
never
to.
find them. So this one's a little bent, but I'm going to try to fix it.
Yeah, that raised panel K right there, those are so hard to find.
So,
Super hard to find.
yeah, nice to
Dale?
meet you guys.
David?
David
Hey.
Murray.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm George. How are
Yeah, how you doing?
you? Are you guys going to go over and see the Scout Crafter show? That's in a couple of minutes here.
Okay, yeah.
It starts at 10, so. I'm waiting.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
We
you
better head up
got,
and get our spot.
yeah, you got
gonna be
a
crowded.
lot of YouTubers here today. $20, man. I couldn't pass it up.
You just got that just now?
Yeah.
Tell the story. When I was a scout leader, I used to take the boys' knives, and when they were not sharp, I would double them. Just because sharp knives will cut you to the bone. How many times you're working with sharp knife? I use the dull knife, just enough to get through whatever I'm cutting. And we have some miscellaneous too. So I'm going to call out your number.
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Everything's $2 a piece in these boxes for toast.
We're taking the tote set here, $2 a piece.
Bucket over there.
I gotta make that. Stop. Which bucket?
Pink bucket.
It's all messed up, no foot.
Here's a box, sir, if you need a box.
Oh, all right.
Hang on.
Sure, yeah.
Just keep count.
Yep. Well, it's all ready to go. Looks great. You want a license plate?
I was wondering why you were calling me.
Because I didn't know where you were.
That's your stuff.
No.
Back there.
All right, I picked out 27 items from your $2 bag.
27, give me $40. Okay, keep picking. This is all $2 here now.
I'll start another pile.
Yeah.
That's the way to sell it.
I'm sorry, sir. Everything in this last row over here is $2 a piece. Hey. you right now. You want those canes before? You want those canes before? No. They're for folding hogs, hurting the hog. Put them underneath the hog. How many?
26 this time.
Another 40.
All right, thank
Keep digging, man.
I,
You ain't gonna get any cheaper.
I know. It's a good deal here. You guys know how to sell.
You 20 even, right?
Should we make a trip to the truck?
Yeah, we could.
All right, guys, we're making a quick pit stop at the trailer. I had to unload the wagon. It was getting quite heavy. We haven't deployed the second wagon yet, but that's more of a plan for when we get in the back where we're going to be farther away. So we took advantage of being close. We've only made it to the second row so far. But I mainly bought from one guy. He had bargain bins. Everything was $2 a piece. And he said, as your pile gets bigger, your items get cheaper. So I paid about $1.50 for probably about 60 different tools and got some really great deals. You guys will see all of the reveal at the end of the video or in the next video, because this might be a two-part system. But it's been awesome, really awesome. So we just grabbed some things from the trailer. I grabbed a pack of baby wipes because my hands have been getting all greasy. So that'll be nice and handy. I grabbed a couple of things. I brought gifts for some of the other YouTubers that are here. So I got a little stuff to give away. We're gonna get back to it. It's really awesome. I only made it in the second row so far and already just found so much amazing stuff. Craftsman, Snap-on, Mac, you know, old vintage tools like Bonnie and Williams. It's awesome. This is the best flea market I've ever been to. So we're gonna get back out there. We're gonna get back on the hunt and find some more goodies.
Ice? Is it in a bag? Put stuff in there. Dirt was on it.
Hey, Megan. What's going on, man?
Hi, how are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
Good. How you been?
Good.
Figured I better come over and see
Yeah,
what
how
kind
are
of
you?
goodies you got.
Oh, yeah. What are you working on now? That vet yet?
Yeah, I haven't done a lot.
No.
I'm just trying to drive it a little bit, and
Yep.
shake it down, and see what else is wrong with it. But it seems pretty decent. You know, for sitting for 30 years.
Yeah,
You
that
know,
sounds good.
I think it was a good investment.
Yes.
Got it pretty cheap.
No, that's good. Yeah, it's always a better deal.
I don't fit in it very well though. Oh, no, it's not.
All right, I got 4 from the
Not
$2
bad.
bin.
Okay.
$8.
Documentary's just about done.
Yeah, I keep seeing your pictures. I
Yeah.
figure you gotta be getting close. What do you gotta do yet?
Actually, I got to drive it now, but I.
Thank you.
Great, thank you.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Is that your table over here?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I got 6 out of the dollar bucket. So.
Okay. Great. I'm sorry I don't have a bag.
That's all right. I got myself prepared.
All right, buddy. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Good day.
All right, guys, we're back from the Jacktown Flea Market, and we got a lot of stuff. And we didn't really spend that much money. I spent $450, and Nick spent $200. So we're gonna have to have a whole nother video just to go over the details of the haul. But we'll give you a little sneak peek. And I got some stuff kind of separated here. I probably picked up about 15 or so ratchets. I think pretty much all of them are USA made. Got some C-clamps. I got this 3/4 inch breaker bar. Got a whole bin full of wrenches. Most of them are vintage, like nice vintage. I have a problem, and somehow I came home with like 30 to maybe 40 adjustable wrenches too. Got a whole bin full of pliers. There's a lot of good ones in here. I picked up this Craftsman socket case. It's a 17-piece set for 1/2-inch drive. I got a bin full of sockets here, some extensions, other miscellaneous pieces. This is kind of a miscellaneous this and that bin, and so is this. So there's a lot of great stuff here, and I don't even know exactly how many tools we bought and how much money we spent, but we'll be back next week with an update and a full tool reveal. So you don't want to miss that. Jacktown was a lot of fun. I got to meet up with some other YouTubers. I got to see George from You Wanna Watch. Got to see Dale from Dale's Workshop. Got to see David from West Highlands. I saw Magdad, Magdad 357. I did not speak with Scout Crafter, but I was at his little demonstration, as you guys saw. And there was a couple others too. I know CC Scraps was there, Bigfoot's Cave, a couple others. I can't remember all the names off the top of my head, but it was really nice to see all these guys and really just have the Jacktown experience. It was our first time going, and I'm definitely sold. I'm definitely going back. We'll see you guys next week with the full tool haul reveal.